If you want to go ahead and insert out charts inside of your Google Vids project, then you can simply go around over here onto the insert menu and then go around over here onto charts. So here you can see that there's different charts that you can choose from. Let's say I'm going to choose pie chart. Then what happens is that a sample pie chart is added in. So this is actually a linked chart. So what happens is that this is actually linked with a Google Sheet right here where you have to update the real data. So to do that, you can go around onto the three dot button and open up the source right here, and then it opens up that particular page right here with the chart, as you can see this like this. So if I were to go around onto the top, this is the chart that you have right here, and you can see that this is what you have. Let's say for example I'm going to change it out into, let's say for example, gender right here, just like this, and then I can go around onto male and female right here. Let's just go ahead and delete out the data, and you can see that it immediately changes that out right here. So now you can see that I can go ahead and change out the ratio, and that is what you have as well. So apart from that, if I were to go around over here, I can simply go around onto edit chart, let's say for example, and change around how it looks as well. I can go ahead and customize the chart style right here as I want, just like this. So I can go ahead and, let's say for example, change around the color as I want right here, just like this as well. And then I can go ahead and change out whatever as I need. So apart from that, you can go around over here. So I made some changes, as you can see. And if you want to learn more about Google Sheets, you can check out my tutorial on Google Sheets as well, which covers in-depth content on how to create charts such as these. So now over here, you can see that it's still not updated in Google Vids, but if you want to update it, simply click on update, and you can see that the chart gets updated right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and insert out charts inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.